morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, whatever time you're watching this. Hi. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. And I'm trying to like jazz up my intro so I'm not just being like, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, because that gets boring after time after time after time after time. I'm also trying to look into the lens better because I'm always like, you know, I'm self-focused and I'm only looking into the viewfinder. Okay, but anyways, off topic. Today's video is how I edit my Instagram pictures. Yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. Basically, I'm just gonna be showing you, and like 2 people have requested this video, so we're making it. But let's just get started. So I'm just gonna choose this picture right here. This I took at this place called the Selfie Museum. Basically the app that I use to edit is VSCO, like every other girl. And what I've been thinking about is like, you never really talk about VSCO girls using VSCO, but rather like hydro flasks and saving the turtles. But that's not really what we're here to talk about. And also, another side note is I'll use the app PixArt to edit the perspective of the picture if like the angles are weird, because this just allows you to like stretch the picture and like smash it down, if that makes sense, if the perspective is totally off. So that I'll sometimes use too. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use VSCO. So I imported the photo into my little library or whatever. Basically, you can create recipes on VSCO. So I have like all my settings set as a recipe. But for this video, I'm just gonna go through each one and talk about it. And obviously this can change from picture to picture, but I generally try to stay the same. So each picture looks kind of the same. So generally for exposure, I'll turn it up to 2.3. And if the picture's already well exposed, then I won't adjust the exposure. And the exposure is really the only setting that I kind of change, but all these other settings I keep the same. Then for contrast, I turn that up to +2. Sharpen goes up to +2.2. Saturation goes down 1. Then for tone, the shadows go up +2.1. And highlights go up 6. Then the white balance temperature goes up to +2.6. And then the tint goes all the way up to +6. Then the skin tone goes down 6. That gives it kind of like that orangey type glow. And then the vignette, I think that's how you say it, goes up to +3. I literally had to look up how to pronounce this word because I did not want to say vignette wrong. But that's okay, so that goes up +3. And then the grain goes up +3 too. And then the fade goes up +6. It also took me like 2 years to figure out the perfect formula that I liked for my Instagram pictures. And this is also how I edit my thumbnails too, is I use the same process, if you wanted to know that. And those are all those type of edits that I do. And then I put the filter on top of that. So I go into the presets, and the preset that I use is Dog 3. And this one, it's like not one of the automatic ones you can get, but this one is a free preset that you can find in the shop. And then after clicking on the preset, I turn the preset down to only +6. So here's the before and here's the after. And I think the way that I'm doing this just like really fits together cohesively with other pictures if they're filtered the same way. But that's just my personal opinion. Yeah, also another preset thing that I really like too is the dog 1, that whole like dog pack, I guess. I really like it. But that's how I edit my Instagram pictures, and also how I edit my thumbnails too, as I said earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe this will help you out if you're trying to find like how you want to edit. Maybe this will give you a little bit of inspiration to help you edit, I guess. But thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down anything you want down below. Follow me on Instagram, I guess, because this is all about Instagram, at susancarolynn, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!